Namaste children. We are going to cover today the division of abacus that we had done already. So all the big friend addition and small friend addition subtraction. We are going to cover that. Some kids have the doubt and they are doing faster and doing a little mistakes. So let's revise all and do practice. I request to all. Only practicing will work here. You have memorized the formula, but practice will help to memorize. Okay, so don't just do ratification, just do practice. Every formula, all these will come in the flow and you will find it comfortable. So let's do, and you will get the calculation fast also. So you will get the speed fast. So I've taken a few sample questions to explain you again. Question number 1, 26. See, what you have to do, you remember that you have to hold the pen or pencil in your right hand or left as you do that, but don't leave the pen or pencil on them. When you are doing calculating, you should hold your pen or pencil in your hand and use a tool and write answer. All these hands and the pen and pencil and all the calculation should be in flow and simultaneously. Okay, so don't miss it out. So number 1 is 26, then 4. You have to add 4. See, on the ones rod, you don't have 4. All the beads, you have 3 beads only, less than 4. How to add? Then you have to take the help of tens rod. So whenever you're going to take help of tens rod, always remember the big friend. So you have to add 4. So friend of 4 is 6. Why 6? Because 4 and 6 makes 10. So always we have to do with less friend add 10. Okay, so by using the right hand, you have to less friend add 10. So let 6 add 10. So let 6 add 10 makes 4, add 4. Now 9. See, you have 9 beads. So no need to use any formula. So 9. Now less 7, do this. This is 32. Next number 12, 5, again 5. You don't have 5. Only 2 beads are left over here at the ones rod. So what to do? Same thing. Less friend, add 10. Less friend, add 10. 5 friend of 5 is 5. So I subtracted 5. So less 5, add 10. Again, third 5. Use this. 27. 65. 3, 5. Just you learn. Less 5 add 10. Less 2. You have 2 here. So this is 71. 26. 3. Add 5. Less 5 add 10. Less 3. This is simple. Now 29. Okay, let's take 29. Add 8. See, you don't have extra beads. So remember the friend of 8. Friend of 8 is 2. So let's 2 add 10. So let's 2 add 10. We did it. We added 4. Now you have to add. In this case, we added 8. Now you have to add 4. Again, you don't have 4 here. Let's friend add 10. Friend of 4 is 6. So let's 6 add 10. Add 2. We did. So 43. Next number 38. So 3 and 8. 38. 3 and 8. Now minus 1. Add 4. You don't have here 4. So less 6. Friend of 4 is 6. Friend of 6 is 4. Vice versa. So less 6. Add 10. Now add 8. You have it here. So this is 49. 33. 6. We have it. Now add 3. Don't have. Remember the friend. Friend of 3 is 7. So less 7. Add 10. Less 7. Add 10. Less 2. Less 2. Okay. So this is 40. Now 51. 7. Add 3. Don't have. Less 7. Because 7 is the friend of 3. So let's 7 add 10. Now 2. You have 2. So this is 63. Next number 29. 8. Don't have friend. Don't have 8. Remember the friend. Friend of 8 is 2. So let's 2 add 10. Add 4. Don't have 4. Remember the friend. Only remember the friend. So add 4 means less 6. Add 10. Add 2. Okay. So this is 43. The next question 18 and 4. You don't have 4. So you know the friend of 4 is 6. Very good. So less 6. Add 10. Add 5. You have 5. Use here. Add 4. Don't have 4. So less 6. Add 10. Simple. Okay. So this is 31. Dear children, I hope you are very clear. Revise. Please revise and do practice only. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will explain you again. And if you like this, please share with your friend and let them subscribe, please. Thank you very much.